Hi everyone, welcome back to my another new blog video. Okay, so today if I talk about in our village. Okay, so let's get start this video. So dear friends, actually today I'm very happy. And how is your day going on? Actually, how is the day today in your local area? And our local area so very amazing, and today actually very sunny day. And nowadays actually a winter season, and I like winter season. And do you like a winter season or not? And as you can see, this is our behind side. There are so many banana trees, and I like banana. And banana actually very healthy food in our body. And as we can see, this is our small potato field, and this is our mustard field. Okay, so actually today not preparation for blog video. My English skills nowadays I can't practice. And dear friends, actually English is not shortcut way for learning English. It's the very long journey. And you believe that, and you start for learning English, and starting time very motivated. And I also starting time very motivated, but after 1 month later, after 2 months later, actually motivated actually break it, unfortunately, because it's a very difficult language. And I also after 2 or 3 months ago start my journey. And actually nowadays our English not consistency and not regular maintain this language. And that is why our English not for good quality, and not for is and actually I mean not good quality our English, and not improvement. Okay, so I don't know in our English when I fluent speaker. I don't know, actually it's my favorite hobbies. And but I can't say now in our future life. And okay, so dear friends, pray for me. And when I fluent speaker, my hobbies actually I will go abroad. And when I fluent English speak, so that time I will go abroad. Okay, this is my future hobbies. But I think I won't go abroad because my English not improvement day by day, because I don't enough time for learning English purpose. Because I'm a farmer, and so many working in our home, so that is why I can't practice every single day. But my hobbies, I will be able for learning English. I will able to learning English after after 1 year later, I think my English journey actually able to speak English fluently, and pray for me. Okay. So, dear friends, and when you are learning English, start actually every single day, like your co-learner and with your English learner friends every single day, minimum 20 minutes or 15 minutes practice with communication, like offline or online telephoning communication. Okay. And I suggest you, but I also, when our spend time, I also practice for with co-learners. Okay. So this is the way for learning English. And dear friends, nowadays I can't practice. So thank you. Bye bye.